Install waste ink bottle. Loosen the screws with a screwdriver. Install the waste ink bottle holder. Connect the waste ink tube to the waste ink bottle. Install ink tanks and ink shortage alarm. Unscrew the cover and take it off. Loosen the screws. Install the holder and tighten the screws to secure it. Connect the corresponding color ink tube according to the color mark. Connect the yellow ink tube in the same way. Cyan ink tube. Magenta ink tube. White ink tube. Connect the other white ink tube to the upper inlet of the white ink tank. Connect the cables of each ink bottle sensor to the corresponding ports on the circuit board. Connect the power cables for the white ink stirrer. Install the ink tank cover. Install the film. Installation completed.